how to read Arabic numbers 0 to 1000 plus. Learn gradually with examples. This is Thuraya, your polyglot teacher. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Notice how when we get to two-digit numbers, we read them from right to left. And also notice that when we read the teens, we just read the two numbers, one right after the other. The other thing you should note is that when we have a ta marbuta, that ta marbuta is pronounced as a ta. 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Now this is the nominative case form. In the accusative and genitive, we say 20. Just a little note here that 20, 30, 40 are usually pronounced in colloquials as 20, 40, and so on. When half the time we are grammatically wrong, this is how we pronounce them. 21. Now note here that after the teens, if we have a two-digit number, we still read it from right to left, but we have to add a wa between the two digits. So 21 22 23, and let's continue. To say 100, you say 100. And when you read 101, you start on the left side. So you say 101. So you don't go right to left because this is not a two-digit number. 105 113. So notice how you start on the left. So you say 100. So left to right, but then the two digits 13 are read this way. 13. So you say 113. Again 113. 145. Same thing. We start on the left to right, so we say 100, and then we go back here and read the last two digits from right to left. So remember this rule, okay? 145. So we say 105 and 40. To say 1,000, you say 1000. So this is 1000. And then to say 1001, you say 1001. And then when you have a larger number, you start again on the left side and you say 1900. But then when you get to last two digits, you pronounce them from right to left. So, and then you say 57. 1957. That's my birth year, by the way. So let me show you again how it works. Say you start from left to right, 1900, and then the last two digits are read from right to left, and that will always be the case even if you have 7 digits in your number. The last two are read from right to left. So you say 1957, like that. Same thing happens in the next number. We read the first two in this direction, 1900, and then 15 is read this way. And remember, you add a wa between each two digits. And so you say, let me get my cursor here, my little red dot. So you say 1957 1915. In the teens, there is no wa between the two digits, as we previously mentioned. I hope this helps. Let me know what you think. Let me continue and tell you something now. Click like if you like this video, and if I have missed something here that you would like to know about Arabic numbers, let me know in comments. I will make a video with that. Click on the next video to continue learning. Check out my books on Amazon. انظروا إلى كتبي في Amazon.